Hey yo, 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 hey yo. Hey yo guys, what's up? Rendra here again and again. Dalam video sebelum ini kita sudah cover macam mana mau buat agree essay dengan structure yang simple and academic. So hari ini kita proceed lagi and lagi. I will make a full guide on how to make a disagree essay. Many test takers or students selalu struggle bila perlu disagree, bila perlu provide disadvantages or drawbacks sesuatu issue. Sebab takut bunyi terlalu harsh atau takut point itu tidak cukup kuat and etc. Tapi do not be worried again. I will show you guys. Saya akan tunjuk cara paling clean, paling academic, dan paling safe untuk disagree tanpa sounding emotional. Structure dia actually same, introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and conclusion. Tapi hari ini kita akan fokus cara kita build argument for disagree and provide those disadvantages or drawbacks dalam video ini. With that being said, let's get started. I won't do it. Alright y'all, I want to make this different and have some fun today for this video. Ya, saya akan mencoba speedrun menulis essay for task 2, 250 words above. For information, 4 months ago, I've taken the Oxford ELT test and my best time was at 22 minutes. Even diberikan 40 minutes in total. So yeah, this is gonna be fascinating. Di video ini ya menulis essay using stopwatch sambil menunjukkan tricks, phrases, and structure supaya all of you can write quickly but still academic. Before I start the speed run, remember each structure body paragraph flow dia idea, reason, example, consequence, or idea, example, reason, consequence. So yeah, kita akan cover semua step by step and I will show all of you the phrases and vocab yang mudah diingat sambil speedrun. Okay? Alright, let's get it. Come on man. Come on. Let's get it. 252 words, man. Let me proofread the whole essay that I made here. Alright, let's stop. So, saya sudah menyelesaikan for disagree essay with full guide, and this is my sample. I've done this in 20 minutes and 44 seconds. So let's proceed. Saya akan jelaskan one by one each sentence, each paragraph right after this. Okay, let's proceed. Alright, to initiate with, my introduction clearly states my opinion. I disagree that AI will replace human jobs in the future. I also mentioned that why this topic matters both personally and socially, since AI affects not just individuals but also workplace and society as a whole. That's important because examiners need to see your stance. Let's jump to the second paragraph, that is my first body paragraph. To commence with itu merupakan formal phrase, linking word untuk membuka paragraph. It demonstrates an academic flow. Next, it is a well-known fact that as usual, frasa phrase untuk menunjukkan fakta, bukan opinion. AI is designed and developed by human beings. Nah, ini merupakan main idea untuk this issue topic. So, memang faktanya AI itu dicipta itu dari manusia. Alright, one major reason for this is that itu merupakan classic phrase to explain shows your reason. It is a linking word, guys. Humans still have full control over how AI works and functions. Ini merupakan penjelasan with high level vocabulary, and memang reason dia di sini manusia itu masih boleh mengendalikan macam mana AI itu berfungsi. To give a clear example is a phrase that has the same meaning, such as, for instance, AI relies on programmers and engineers itu merupakan contoh yang konkret dan credible to provide instructions and update its code and systems. Itu merupakan konteks yang nyata, real, and it is easy for you guys to remember. For that reason, is a linking word. Kalau in bahasa, it means oleh hal yang demikian, oleh itu. In English, for that reason, has the same meaning. Macam therefore, as a result, consequently. Alright, next. Human input and control remain essential. Remain essential ni merupakan frasa yang formal. It shows kepentingan manusia in ensuring how AI functions. Ayat ini merupakan hasil summarize point saya yang di ini, which was I reinforcing my argument di bahagian consequence. Next, additionally, itu merupakan cohesive device or linking word atau in bahasa penanda wacana yang maksudnya di samping itu, selain itu, selain daripada itu, dan sebagainya. AI cannot fully replace jobs that require empathy, emotions, and creativity. Ini merupakan main idea untuk idea kedua, second main idea. Alright, next, the reason being that itu maksudnya sama macam one major reason for this is that tadi. Ini formal phrase untuk explain your reason. It is a linking word lah begitu. Various professions require fairness and ethical reasoning. This sentence sangat spesifik and menunjukkan kenapa human itu tak penting dan relevant, which AI often struggles to handle. Ini menunjukkan kalau AI itu mempunyai limitations. Okay, next. A great example of this is merupakan classic phrase to introduce your example. AI remains unable to provide emotional intelligence or emotional support. Remains unable itu formal and natural. Emotional intelligence or emotional support are the specific examples, dan they are relatable begitu. Sangat relate di kehidupan nyata sekarang. The way teachers and counselors do is the ayat reinforce human advantage. As a result, like just now, in bahasa it means oleh hal yang demikian, oleh itu. Humans still play a vital role in this dog-eat-dog world. Humans still play a vital role. Humans still play a vital role. Itu merupakan strong point untuk summarize your paragraph. In this dog-eat-dog world is an idiot. idiom. Dog Eat Dog World itu merupakan idiom yang bermaksud an expression for a highly competitive environment where people are ruthless and selfish. Macam dunia yang dipenuhi dengan saingan yang kuat begitu. As a matter of the fact that kita semua as humans are living in this dog eat dog world. It is a fact. Last paragraph. To encapsulate is a formal linking word or phrase to start conclusion. To encapsulate has the same meaning in conclusion, to conclude, in summary, dan sebagainya. I can entirely agree that AI will replace human jobs in the years to come. As far as I'm concerned, itu merupakan frasa yang sama sejak macam in bahasa pada pendapat saya or in English sinonimnya in my opinion begitu. Human values such as empathy, emotional support, creativity, and critical thinking are irreplaceable. Itu merupakan main opinion saya with high level vocabulary. Irreplaceable and they will remain itu merupakan strong conclusion phrase. As I have mentioned earlier, sama saja macam as I raised my points earlier, merupakan phrase untuk link back ke both first and second body paragraph saya yang ini. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, menunjukkan coherence dalam last impression kamu. Alright, that's it. 250 words, and yeah, I hope you guys can learn from this full guide, from my sample, and yeah. And that's it for our disagree essay sample plus speed run. Kalau kamu rasa my structure and my methods in order to tackle this essay membantu, pastikan all of you stay tuned because next video saya akan masuk ke neutral essay lengkap dengan full guide, contoh dan real time writing session juga. So don't go anywhere. Stay safe, stay healthy. I see you guys when I see y'all. See you in the next one. Godspeed.